Roman numbers. Roman numbers that we generally use, like 1 can be written as 1 like this, 2, 3. These are Roman numbers. And next is Hindu Arabic. Hindu Arabic number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are Hindu Arabic numbers, and these are Roman numbers. Let us see how to write Roman numbers. So let's start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This X represents 10. And when we write 1 here, it means 1 less than 10. And for 11, 10, and write 1 at right hand side of 10. That means 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, X and 9. That means 19. 20, 2 times X. Then 21, X, X, 1. 22, X, X, 2. 23, X, X, 1, 2, 3. 24, X, X, 4. 25, X, X and 5. 26, X, X and 6. 27, X, X, 7. 28, X, X, 5, 6, 7, 8. 29, X, X and 1 and 9. And 30. 3 times X. Now, X can be repeated only 3 times, not more than 3 times. 31, X, X, X and 1. 32, X, X, X and 2. 33, this X, 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 1, 2, 3. 34, X, X, X and 4. 35, X, X, X and 5. 36, X, X, X and 6. 37, X, X, X and 7. 38, X, X, X and 8. 39, that is X, X, X and 9. Now we have to write 40. So for 50 we write L. So 40 will be 10 less than 40 is 10 less than 50. So write L, and for 10 less we will write X at left hand side. So XL. We cannot repeat X 4 times, only 3 times. It could be repeated only 3 times. Therefore for 40 we will write XL. Now let's start writing 41. It will be XL and 1. 42, XL and 2. 43, XL and 1, 2, 3. 44, XL and 4. 45, XL and 5. 46, XL and 6. 47, XL and 7. 48, XL and 8. 49, 49, X, L and 9 and 50. Now 50, for 50 we write only L. Okay, next 51, that is L1, 52 L2, 53, that is L1 2 3, 54, that is L and 4, 55, that is L and 5, 56, that is L and 6, 57, that is L and 7, 58, that is L 5 6 7 and 8, 59, that is L and 9, 60. So L is for 50 and when we write X that means 60. Now 61, 62, 61, LX1, LX2, 63, LX3, 64, LX4, 65, LX5, 66, LX and 6, 67, that is LX and 7, 68, that is LX and 8, 69, that is LX and this is for 9, and 70, that is LX and X. Now 71, LXX1, 72, LXX2, 73, LXX3, 74, LXX and LXX and 4, 75, that is LXX and 5, 76, LXX and 6, 77, LXX and 7, 78, LXX and 8, 79, LXX and 9, 80, that is LXX and X. Now we can repeat X only 3 times. So now for 90 there will be a different we will write it differently. Now 81, LXXX1, 82, LXXX2, 83, LXXX3, 84, LXXX and 4, 85, that is LXX and X5, 86, that is LXXX and 6, 87, LXXX and 7, 88, LXXX and 8, 89, that is LXXX and this is for 9. Now 90. So for 100 we write C. So if we write X, C, that becomes 90. When we write 10 at left hand side, that means 10 less than 100, that means 90. Now 91 will be XC1, 92 will be XC2, 93 will be XC3, 94 will be XC4, 95 will be XC5, 96 will be X6, C6, 97 XC7, 98 XC8, 99, that is XC and 900 C. In this way we can write Roman number from 1 to 100. Now for 1 we write 1, for 5 we write V, for 10 we write X, for 50 we write L, For 100 we write C. For 500 we write D. For 1000 we write M. We cannot repeat any one of them more than 3 times. So X can be repeated only 3 times, V only 1 time, and L only 1 time, C we can repeat it 3 times, D if you want to write 400, so 400 will be 500 minus 100. That means 500 can be written as D, and if we are subtracting 100, that means we have to write, for 100 we write C, so D minus C, so it will be CD. Roman number for 400 will be CD. And if you want to write 300, that will be C, C and C. Okay. Now 625. If you want to write 625, first it will be 500 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. So 500 can be written as D, 100 can be written as X, 100 can be written as C, 20 can be written as X, and 5 can be written as V. So it will be D, C, X, 5. That is 625. If you want to write 950. So as we know that 900 means 1000 minus 100 plus 50. Okay, 1000 can be written as M, minus 100 means C, plus 50. 50 is L. So it can be written as CML. That means 100 minus 1000, that means 900, and L means 50. So that is 950. Now Roman number is given and we have to write Hindu Arabic number. So L stands for 50. X, that means 3 times X, it means 30, plus V means 5, and here if we are writing here 1, that means plus 1. 5 plus 1 will be 6. Now add them all. 50 plus 30 plus 6. 50 plus 30, 80. 80 plus 6, 86. So this is how we can write Hindu Arabic number for the Roman number. This is only example. We don't need to write that. Next example is CDXLV1. C 400, D means 500. So when we are writing C here, that means 100 minus 500 minus 100. That means 500 minus 100. Then plus XL, that means 40. L means 50, and when we are writing X here at left hand side, that means L 50 minus 10 means 40, plus 6. This is for 6. So it is 6. Now 500 minus 100, 400. 400 plus 40 plus 6, that will be 446. Now let us start exercise 1G. We have done exercise up to 1F. Now we will start exercise 1G, which is based on Roman number and Hindu Arabic number. Question number 1 is express each of the following as Roman numerals. We'll start writing from fifth part. 36. 36 can be written as x, 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 that is 30, and 6, this is 6. Next is sixth example, 43 is equals to 43. So as we know that 40 can be written as XL and 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, these are exercise questions, so we have to do these questions in our notebook. 91. 90 means 100 minus 10. That means this is for 100. C stands for 100 and minus 10. When we are writing x at left hand side, that means 100 minus 10. That is 90 and 1. 91. Next is 114. For 100 we write C, and for 10 we write X, and for 4 we write 1V. That is 114. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is again express each of the following as Roman numerals. So its first part is 164. For 100 we write C. For 60 we write LX. When we are writing X at right hand side of L, that means 60. And for 4 we will write this 4. Its second part is 195. So for 100 we write C. For 90 we write X, C. Now only 5 is left, that is V. Next is third part, 226. 200. So 100 plus 100, that means C and C. 2C, 26. 20 means X, X, and for 6 we will write V and 1. That is 226. Now question number 3 is write each of the following as Hindu, Arabic, numeral. Now, first part of question is X, X, 7. So X is for 10. Second X is also for 10. And 5, 6, 7. That means it is 10, 10, 20 and 7, 27. So X, X, V, 1, 1, that means 27. Second part, X, X, X and 4. That is X means 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 30, 30 and 4. That is 34. Third part, that is X, L, V. So as we know that when we are writing X at left hand side of L, that means it is 40. 40 and this is 5. That is 45. Fourth part of it, L, 1, V. L means 50 and 1 V, that means 4. So answer will be 54. So in this way we have to convert Roman number into Hindu Arabic and Hindu Arabic into Roman number.